Magandang gabi mga papa. Musta ba lahat? Sunday evening. Maglulumpia kami, fresh lumpia pala with crab meat. So, yun ang dinner namin with spaghetti. Para may iba naman, mahirap na yung puro kanin eh. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga video kung paano prepare yung breast lumpia. Alam ko naman sa mga iba dyan is alam naman yung paano, pero yung sa amin naman is sariling diskarte lang kumbaga. Mga vegetables ba ang mga halo para swabe sa katawan, di ba mga papa? So, yun. Sana okay lang ang lahat. Alright. Shoutout na lang pala sa inyo lahat dyan.
Hindi, buksan mo. Hindi, galunin mo na lang yan. Lagyan mo to. Lagyan mo yan.
Gano'n kadami?
Punuin mo.
Hmm?
Punuin mo. Tama na.
Alright, yan na. Making lumpia wrapper. Yan. Gagawa kasi kami ng fresh lumpia with crab meat and siyempre lettuce, tapos with cucumber yun. Dapat ba napapa-English ako dito? Hindi naman ako marunong mag-English. So, yun. Siyempre, of course, meron yung cheese. Para solid. Hindi siya yung lumpiang hindi siya yung lumpiang sariwa na na nyog ang
Ay.
Yun no. Isa na rin. Kaya lang may damage in the side, but it's okay.
Sayang yung isa.
Pwede pa yun. Luto mo lang yun. Okay, malapit na siya maluto. Ba't nagbibiyak-biyak siya? Hindi na perfect yung ano.
Hindi na yan.
Okay, okay na yung isang kursalang. Next. Next.
Ba't malaki?
Yun o. So yun, pangalawang wrapper na yan. Gamitin mo kayo manipis na shansi. Yung dun, yung isa. Kasi makapal kasi yan eh. Muna
Hindi talaga
unit.
Hindi niya kailangan ng mantika marami.
Pulutuin mo muna.
Nandang
Dudurog eh. Yun no. So, tagumpay yung pangalawa. Nga pala mga papa, prepare ko para sa dinner namin saka sa baon ko bukas. Sarap to kasi healthy siya eh.
Pwede na yan.
Healthy food yun. Goods na yung pangalawa. Third batch. Lumpia wrapper pa lang to mga papa ha. Siguro makakaapat lang siguro.
Anim naman sa puno.
Pangatlo pa lang to, mga papa. Actually, pang-apat, yung first na ano, salang is, ano, medyo nagkadikit kasi. So, tingnan natin to kung ano. Medyo matagal-tagal yung process nito kasi magpiprepare pa nung ilalagay syempre yung babalutin nito kasi wrapper pa lang to, di ba? So, yun. Maya. Kasi mo kaya po eh. Hindi. Bumubulong-bulong yung chef dito eh. Nag-advise daw ako ng mali.
Hindi pwede eh.
I'm just asking naman if pwede. At hindi. Hindi. Di ba mga papa? Okay. So yung pangatlo, the fourth batch. Oh. Yun. So yun, yung pang-apat na wrapper. Siguro mga 5 lang siguro magagawa. Dun sa na-mix kanina. Yun o. Medyo nakukuha na yung diskarte. So yun, mga 5 nga lang itong magagawa. Ito, luto na yung pang-apat.
6.
Yung 6 is una yung isa. So okay na. Now yung piniprepare naman yung mga vegetables and yung crab meat. Yun yung ipapalaman dyan sa niluto kanina na wrapper. Kinalabasan ng wrapper parang ano, hot, ano ba tawag ko? Hot cake. Ganda tingnan.
Alright guys, we are here. Chase Center. The Betty's Home, Najee Harris is here. We see Marshawn back there, but we're not going to follow him out. How you feeling? Being back in the Bay? Oh, easy, baby, please. Najee, how do you feel being back in the Bay? And who do you think's taking it tonight?
It's always good to be back in the Bay, born and raised here, and good to see the folks. So we already know we're going for him. Sean over here is too. Put his like on Sean. Sean, how does it feel being back in the Bay, Sean? So I've been there. I've been there. I heard that.
Hey, he's just here so he doesn't get fined. Beast Mode's in the house, and I'll tell you what right now, Program better find the Beast Mode than him, because this fight's going away from him, man. Ruger needs to find the monster now. This round is key, switching this fight around. Well, he had about an 8-foot giant werewolf accompanying him to the ring. He needs to bulk up himself. himself and go get after Haney here. He's swinging at the guy that's not there and then get hit return. Better pressure means showing intent. He's showing intensity here by trying to at least get after that. So many fighters would just stay with what they're doing and hope that will work. He's at least stepping up. I appreciate that. Julian, what are you seeing so far? He's throwing him a little too much. He's looking for one perfect shot. Combination slower and getting in good position. They're open. He needs to cut the distance. He's getting in position. We need to get him. Heard you say close the gap a couple of times in the last couple of rounds. How does he do that? He has to cut the ring off. He's got to stick to his right. Get the right. We know that. Booker needs to cut out the dip, but he had issues in his last fight. That's also performance versus the reach. He wasn't able to do that because he got spooky reaches coverage. So whenever you're dealing with a fast fighter with fast hands, fast feet, and they're popping your foot like Haney, you just get the respect is there. Haney's never staying in front of you too long, whether he's moving to your left or your right, but he's keeping the fight in the middle of the ring, being general shit. And it's textbook too. I mean, short choppy steps when he needs to, bigger steps when he needs to, back on the jab, punching and moving. That's how you get the job done. That's a beautiful shot right there. Didn't even step back. Just wait for Porter to come up short. Then with that right hand. That accuracy on Haney is impressive. For both of these fighters in the build-up have plenty to say about what would happen today. Devin Haney was explicit, saying, listen, when the fight's over, and we're talking in the press conference afterwards, you'll ask me, why was I so dominant? Why did it make it look so easy? And that's exactly what he's done through 5 rounds here in San Francisco.
Ito na yung finished product ko. Ayan. Gumawa ulit ng spaghetti. Ayan, oh. Wow. Very nice presentation. Ayan, oh. Oh. Diba, una ko niyan bukas. Ipasok ko sa constructions. Mag-construction kasi ako eh. Ayan. So, diba? Saan ka pa? Ito pala yung sauce. Yan yung sauce nung fresh lumpia. Yan. Yan, oh. Alright. So yon mga babae, ito na. Sunday dinner. Ito yung dinner namin ngayon. So yun yung finished product nung ginawa ko kanina. Hindi pala ako. So yon. Si partner ang gumawa niyan. Ito yung aming dinner. So let's eat mga papa. Sana magustuhan niyo yung video namin ngayon. So tuloy-tuloy yung pagbibideo namin. Okay? Sige. Yun, no? Anghang na parami. Na parami yung hot sauce. Ito naman. Sarap. Nice na.